Okay, I guess it's time for me to head back inside. All this hail coming down. Everybody just be safe. Be careful. Look at all the hail in the yard. Yep, all that white, that's hail. Little pieces of ice. Getting a bit of flooding going on too. Wow. Okay, everybody, just be safe. As I said, what they've been saying on the weather reports is that this part of the storm is only going to last for just a short while longer. And then we're going into rain a little bit later tonight. Maybe more hail coming down, thunderstorms. And we are in a tornado watch until midnight. Ooh, isn't that pretty over there, though? At that. Oh, that is lovely. Look at the light shining through. Remember, everybody, every storm runs out of rain. We'll be coming out of this soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.